Lilian omuhwezi wa chairman wa UNATU omuri Kitagwenda nagira ngu gavumenti okurangirira eky'abaana kushomera busha kikongera kucwenta abazaire aba baana babarekera bashomesa na munongo mu mashomero ga primary aga gavumenti obumwe n'abaana ebyokurya nibabiha abashomesa.
Gavumenti ekarabyaho policy yayo yagira ngu tariho omwana weena mu UPE school asemerera kuba nasasora school fees. Basemererwa ati nkoito mu masomero gaitu agebyaro nosanga nikiguma kusaba omuzaire na siringi nka 10 wo kugira ngo at least ba facilitating omusomesa atunge lunch cyo kumayisa ngo abasomesa ntwe providing lunch hayisomero kandi ekikireteriza abasomesa kukiro bwingi babona munonga nabo bayisana nk'abana obwiro bundi osanga abasomesa ne bataha kuza kuteeka obwiro butakahikire kiretereze byo kusomesa byagaruka hansi.
Yayongera yashoborera kwa abazaire beine kwerwanira ihari bakihaba ibyo butegeki omukushoma kw'abana babo.
Abazaire beine kufaha abasomesa munonga bakaba providing at least ebyetago nkemere babaheyo n'akasente ka remedial at least by improving standards zinkaha isomero abana babo. Otherwise obakwesiga government tine cyamane cyo kwiza gukora ki kubayamba. Those are the politicians kugira ngo bayine bono bayine cyo bakubendamo.
Ogu yayongera yagamba hanshonga ya government heyaresero kugira ngo abashomesa beyongereho batunge obukugu omukushoma hamadara gahiguru.
Ensongeji egenze ya talabaniza abasomesa bengi cyo kubanza nosanga omusomesa sente za kutunga tiso ku maintaining sawe kusoma okwe zikongera zikasomesa n'abantu abandi abakuba nayamba nko kurebera abana be nosanga omwana atisahezo omusomesa wakubaine nk'emyaka nka 35 nosanga at least ino mwana ali mu secondary abandi bali mu university.
Nobukira bengo ebintu bikabireje obwo government ekukora ogwayo tushangira amashomero gamwe nagakiburabura omubyombo b'imbeko kandi bikiri omumbera mbi nka Mahoro Primary School ihunga hamwe na Kyabitimbo Primary Schools obwo twashangana barondera abashomesa enkuzo kutekesa konko bwa secondary bari kwetebekanise bigezo ebiri kutandika 2011 okwezi kwa10 omwaka ogu.
We have prepared very well for NEB exams. At least we have got some hint about the new curriculum.
The pioneer of this curriculum, we have been seeing the setting plus the sample paper that UNEP has brought out, and we actually saw it was just relating to the activity of integration the teachers were giving us.
Abasomesa tugumiserize tokamanya obundi mbwire bwo misoku imbera zikiza ku babeta somwe n'abasomesa bagumiserize tokamanya obundi government etinkamya ngo netwanga munonga bonde kayize tujarayo ukuyatekaho ubundi nitse tusemera.
Gasha kwa Sharif Murungi awa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Kitagwenda.